Now, I know that you want to jump into the course and start creating Facebook ads, but I want to make sure this is the right course for you. So before you start this course, there are a few things that you should know. So let's take a look at those. The very first one, you should have basic knowledge of Facebook platform. Number two, you should have Facebook business page or admin rights to a business page. And here is the business page of iSocialU on Facebook. And actually, if you don't have a business page, but you are planning on starting one soon, that's okay too. And then your willingness to learn and take action is extremely important. In this course, I will show you step-by-step process of creating different types of Facebook ads, but I want you to put everything that you learn in practice. And even if your business is not ready to use Facebook ads, and maybe your business doesn't have advertising budget, but you can still practice by following my step-by-step process of creating ads, the process that I will show you in this course. And now, if you have any questions now or during this course, please add them to the comments or to the discussion board, and I will be more than happy to answer your questions. And now one last thing, please introduce yourself in this class. Tell us who you are, what type of business page you have on Facebook, and if you want to leave a link of your Facebook business page, that's okay too. We all can like your Facebook page and support each other. And now let's jump into this course.